All right, I have a real treat for us today. We have a very special guest. Santa Claus has taken time out of his very busy schedule to talk to us before his grand entrance at Celebration Crossing.
I love that entrance.
Oh, Santa, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, I'm going to start with a hard hitter. What is your favorite type of cookie?
Oh, I love chocolate cookies. I like sugar cookies. I like gingerbread cookies, store-bought cookies. But most of all, I just love cookies.
Yeah.
And I tell the children they don't need to leave but one out.
Yeah.
I get so many that time.
That's true.
But I love all cookies.
Oh, there's no wrong answer. All cookies are good
They're
cookies.
delicious.
Santa, what is one of your favorite presents that you consistently get asked for Christmas?
Okay. Children ask for all the popular presents, but
Sure.
it just melts my heart when the child says, Santa, I don't want anything, but I'd like you to get something from the family that lives down the street. Or Santa, I don't want, I just want my family to have family time together. I don't need presents. Those things melt my heart.
That's what it's really about.
It really is the reason.
Yeah. Now, Santa, I've got one more question for you. Sleigh ride or helicopter?
Well, personally, the sleigh, because I'm in charge.
Sure.
But I trust these guys. I'll give it a whirl. We'll give it a whirl.
All right, I'm ready. Are you?
I'm ready.
Here we go.
Let's do it. Oh, oh, oh. Thanks for the ride, Joe.